Gotta keep on breathing if you wanna make sense of it all. We will not fall.
Hi, I'm Adrianne from Indyoga, and I'm here on a beautiful sunny morning at Calmwater Bay, just outside Knaresborough in North Yorkshire. We have a couple of paddleboarders out on the water already, and I will be joining them soon. But for now, I would like to talk to you about headstands on your paddleboard. So recently I've seen a lot of people trying headstands, and obviously you feel that you might be in a safer position because you're on water. Well, I'm no medical professional, and I really want to qualify that I'm going on my experience as a yoga teacher and also as a dancer, and also from having injuries, and also a paddleboard instructor, and I teach SUP yoga. So when we look at headstands on paddleboards, you are on a very unstable surface. The water is moving underneath you, hence the board is moving underneath you. If you are unable to commit and hold a headstand on the ground, please don't try it on your paddleboard. Get it nice and comfortable and safe and secure on ground first. Then you can take it onto the water. So let's look at the two variations of a headstand. One is a supported headstand, which I would encourage everyone to do, simply because the weight distribution is 80% in your foundation and your frame and 20% in your head and your neck. And the other is tripod headstand, which is 33% in each of the points of contact on the board, two hands and your head. Think about flipping yourself upside down and that weight bearing into your neck. And the 7 vertebrae in the neck, the cervical spine, are very delicate, they're very fragile. And from C1 to C7, if you were to damage any of those and you were to break your neck, or you know somebody who has, there are severe consequences from any neck damage. And, I'd really like to be able to offer an alternative to that for you to be able to be safe. We talk about having our leashes, we talk about having our PFDs on the water. Why are we still doing headstands? So let's have a look at supported headstand, number 1. So we're going to make a nice secure frame with our hands, our elbows, our forearms and our shoulders. And we want to measure out that frame like a little triangle. Okay, so the hands come down and you're really going to be pushing the weight into the base of the hands, the forearms, and into the elbows. And if you've got core strength, shoulder strength, back strength, this is going to be relatively easy for you to start. Bringing the head right down, and it just rests into that little cup. So you support the back of the head there. Now you can start to tuck the toes, and if you feel comfortable here, really engage through the core, engage through the back and the shoulders, pressing the toes, lifting the knees nice and steady. Try to keep the weight out of the head. So here, I've taken the head fully off. This is a dolphin variation, and which is still an inversion. Still, you can try this one on your board. And then maybe you bring that head back. So 80% of weight goes into the frame, 20% goes into the head. Okay, so walking the feet, you want to get the shoulders above the elbows and the hips above the shoulders. Take a foot off at a time. Test your balance there. Okay, try not to jump the legs up, but bring both legs up into a little egg shape. From there, extending the legs up towards the sky. I've got very little weight in the top of my head. I'm really pushing through the frame here. Taking slow and steady breaths, find the focus. Hold the balance. Come down when you feel comfortable, nice and slowly. And don't rush up to avoid dizziness. Second variation, the stronger of the two. If you have got that one, let's go to tripod. Okay, so Hands go nice and wide on the center of your board. You want to get the elbows over the wrists, the head comes down. This is where you've got 33% of weight in each point of contact on the board. Same principle, you're going to tuck the toes. Take a deep breath, lift the knees, push into the palms. And then maybe you bring a knee to the elbow and you might stay there. You're still getting the same benefits of your headstand. You do not have to take the legs up to the sky. I feel the weight already going into the top of my skull, through my neck. And then I lift the legs up. Feel strong. It's a bit windy today. Not my favorite headstand to do. Nice and slowly, again, come down. Take a moment before bringing the head back up. And I can already feel the strain that I've actually put through my neck, just demonstrating the tripod headstand. Now, I'm only 10.5 stone, so if you're of a heavier build, imagine when you flip yourself upside down, how much weight is actually bearing through those 7 very small cervical vertebrae. I really do wish you a safe and fun and happy time on the water. Use your PFD, use your leash, and take alternatives. Supported headstand, dolphin, downward facing dog. You know, they're all inversions that you can try on your paddleboard. Thank you for watching.